Gotta love YouTube. A quick YouTube search and instantly found a video that told me how to change from mode 1 to mode 2. Now, might have to do a bit of close-up. This is my previous Hubsan. We need to look just here. It says M2, so I'm going to have to go close-up mode. I think we can see that's an M2 just there. If I pick up the other one and switch it on, in focus, that's an M1 just there. So this one's in mode 1. And this one's in mode 2. And we want this one to be in mode 2. I've just put a little silver cross on there so I know which one's which. So, to swap this to mode 2, can't remember what I just said, but we want mode 2, so we'll go from mode 1 to mode 2, switch it off. Push both controllers top left, switch it on, flashing, move them around to do the full calibration, and then this button here, press and hold for 2 seconds. And there you go. I've got a little M2 there, so we're in mode 2. And if we did want to go back to mode 1, we actually push them, this one top left, this one top right, on, flashing again, all the way around to get the calibration. Hold this button in for 2 seconds, and now you see we've got mode 1 over here. But I want mode 2, so both up top left, on, go around the full edges so it's got the calibration, press and hold this button for 2 seconds, and we got the M2 over here. So we're in mode 2 with the new Hubsan, new controller. I say new to me. I think actually this is older than the one that I've already got. So off, put that one out the way, and we'll have a little go at flying it. Okay, we're recording. Just adjust my hat camera, which is this new Dragon Touch. Put that on. Switch that on, plug in the battery. Okay, lights are flashing, we've bound already. Again, we're not going to try and do anything clever. We just want to go out the door, fly around a little bit and come back. I'll have that one switched on as well, not that it'll see much. Okay, so now, yeah, that's our throttle on the left. We do seem to be drifting left. So I have to do some adjustment, or it might be as simple as one of those motors is dying.
It's definitely drifting left. It's also turning. I'm using quite a lot of throttle as well. Just trying to do some trimming. Now we're turning right more than I want to. It's not happy, is it? Just looking, see I'm holding it, how much I'm holding it to the right there. Yeah, definitely need some trimming there. Could just be it's not happy with that prop. That might be a bit loose. very much like it doesn't like this prop guard on it. See if we can go and land. Oh, failed. That's a bit better. Okay, well, we got back. Yeah, I was having to do a lot of correction there to try and get it to stay still, but we've no idea how old this is. I bought it basically £6.99. I thought it would do for spare parts if nothing else. But it does appear to work, and we've learned how to change mode 2 to mode 1, or mode 1 to mode 2. So yeah, let's be positive. Oh, and of course it has a dead battery, so this is the battery out of my other Hubsan.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.